Today we are going to learn the shapes for children. Square, rectangle, circle, triangle, hexagon, pentagon, octagon, oval, rhombus, trapezium, Did you enjoy learning all the shapes? Let's try again. Square, rectangle, circle, triangle, hexagon, pentagon, octagon, oval, rhombus, trapezium, Can you repeat the shapes' names? Square, rectangle, circle, triangle, hexagon, pentagon, octagon, oval, rhombus, trapezium, we're going to learn the shapes and colors. Let's start. What is this shape? You're right, it's a circle. What color is the circle? You're right, it's red. What is this shape? You're right, it's a rectangle. What color is the rectangle? You're right, it's blue. What is this shape? You're right, it's an oval. What is the color of the oval? You're right, it's purple. What is this shape? You're right, it's a triangle. What color is the triangle? You're right, it's green. What is this shape? You're right, it's a pentagon. What color is it? You're right, it's yellow. What is this shape? You're right, it's a hexagon. What color is it? You're right, it's black. What is this shape? You're right, it's a square. What color is it? You're right, it's orange. Let's make this a bit trickier. We're going to count the sides on the corners. How many sides does a circle have? Super, it has 1. How many corners does a circle have? You're right, it has none. How many sides does a rectangle have? You're right, it has 4. How many corners does a rectangle have? Good! It has 4. How many sides does an oval have? Super! It has 1. How many corners does an oval have? You're right, 0. How many sides does a triangle have? You're right, it has 3. How many corners does a triangle have? Great! It has 3. How many sides does a pentagon have? You're right. It has 5. How many corners does a pentagon have? Super! It has 5. How many sides does a a hexagon have? You're right, it has 6. How many corners does a hexagon have? Super! It has 6. How many sides does a square have? Super! It has 4. How many corners does a square have? You're right, it has 4. Today we are going to learn about the different parts of a circle. Hello, I'm Mr. Circle. I have one side and no corners. I am going to show you my different parts. This is my radius. The radius is the distance from my center to any point of the edge. This is my diameter. My diameter is always twice as much as a radius. The diameter is the distance across the circle. And finally, this is my circumference. My circumference is the distance all around me. You can find me in the objects like clocks, buttons and wheels. Circles are everywhere. Can you find the circles? Well done, you found all the circles. Today we are going to learn about the different types of triangles. Hi, I am Mr. Triangle. I have 3 sides and 3 angles. Did you know that there are 3 types of triangles? Isosceles. I have 2 sides of equal length and 1 side that is different. I have 2 equal angles. You can find me in objects like an ice cream cone, the Eiffel Tower in France, or a slice of pizza. Equilateral. I have 3 sides of equal length, and my 3 angles are the same, 60 degrees. I could be a road sign, a poo ball rock, or a Dorito. Right angled. One of my angles is always 90 degrees. You can find me in sandwiches, a triangular ruler, or a ramp. Look around and try to find other examples. Triangles are everywhere. Can you work out which triangle I am? You're right, it's an isosceles triangle. You're right, it's a right angle triangle. You're right, it's an equilateral triangle. You're right, it's an isosceles triangle. Today we're going to learn about the different quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral, it's any shape that has 4 straight sides. Square, rectangle, kite, rhombus, parallelogram, and trapeziums are all quadrilaterals. You have 4 straight sides, 4 corners or vertices, and 4 angles. It adds up 360 degrees. Let's look at the different quadrilaterals. Rectangle. A rectangle is a 4-sided shape with 4 right angles, also opposite side or parallel, and of equal length. A rhombus. A rhombus is a 4-sided shape with all sides have equal length. Also, opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. A rhombus is sometimes called a diamond. Square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Also, opposite sides are parallel. Parallelogram. A parallelogram has opposite sides, parallel, and equal in length. Opposite angles are equal. Trapezium. A trapezium has a pair of opposite sides, parallel, and a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with no parallel sides. Kite. It has 2 pairs of sides. Each pair is made up of adjacent sides that are equal in length. All quadrilaterals are irregular except for the square. Today we are going to think all about the 3D shapes and their properties. Before we look at the shapes, let's look at the words relating to the 3D shapes. We use the word face to describe a flat surface of a 3D shape. We use the word edge to describe a side of the 3D shape where two faces of the solid figure meet. We use the word vertex or vertices to describe the point where the edges of a solid figure meet. Cube. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Objects that are cubes include dice, Rubik's Cube, building blocks, cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Objects that are cuboids include cereal boxes, books, bricks, cylinder, a cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges, and 0 vertices. Objects that are cylinders include kitchen roll, a tub of sweets, jam jar, sphere, a sphere has 1 face, 0 edges, 0 vertices. Objects that are spheres include a ball, a bubble, an orange, cone. A cone has 2 faces, 1 edge, 1 vertex, objects that are cones include ice cream cone, traffic cone, party hat, triangular prism. A triangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges, and 6 vertices. Objects that are triangular prisms include Toblerone, cheese, a tent, square-base pyramid. A square-base pyramid has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. Objects that are square-based pyramids include pyramids in Egypt, a roof, the Louvre, Paris, tetrahedron. Tetrahedron has 4 faces, 6 edges, 4 vertices. Objects include candles and kites, hexagonal prism. Hexagonal prism has 8 faces, 18 edges, and 12 vertices. Objects include honeycomb, sweet tube, a swimming pool, now it's your turn. Can you remember the different properties of the 3D shapes? Let's try together. Here's a cube. Can you remember how many faces it has? You're right. A cube has 6 faces. Here's a cuboid. How many vertices does it have? Great job! It has 8 vertices. Here is a cylinder. How many vertices does it have? Excellent, it has 0 vertices. Here's a sphere. How many edges does it have? Super, it has 0 edges. Here is a cone. How many faces does it have? Fantastic, it has 2 faces. Here is a triangular prism. How many edges does it have? Great, it has 9 edges. Here is a square-based pyramid. How many faces does it have? Well done, it has 5 faces. Here is a tetrahedron. How many vertices does it have? Good job, it has 4 vertices. Here is a hexagonal prism. How many faces does it have? You're correct, it has 8 faces. Fantastic, you really know your 3D shapes and your properties. Today you are going to help me to guess the shape. Can you name the different shapes? Guess the shape. It's a square. Guess the shape. It's a spear! Guess the shape. It's a rectangle! Guess the shape. It's a cube! Guess the shape. It's a triangle! Guess the shape. It's a cylinder! Guess the shape. It's a circle. Guess the shape. It's a pyramid. Guess the shape. It's a hexagon. Guess the shape. It's a cuboid. Guess the shape. It's a triangular prism. Guess the shape. It's a trapezium. Guess the shape. It's a kite. Guess the shape. It's a tetrahedron. Guess the shape. It's a pentagon. Guess the shape. It's a rhombus. Guess the shape. It's a cone. Guess the shape. It's an octagon. Guess the shape. It's a hexagonal prism. Guess the shape. It's a hemisphere. Well done, great shape work. Don't forget to visit us at www.learningmole.com